Hi again, everyone. Welcome to our today's science class. Last time we learned about different materials, metal, glass, fabric, etc. Right? So today we will be reviewing some of the material knowledge that we learned last time and learning more about materials. All right, so let's play a little game before we start the new lesson. So today we're going to play a true or false game, and when you're playing the game, please stop the video before the correct answer is displayed on the screen. Okay? So let's start. True or false? The guitar was made of rubber. Is it true or false? I think it's false. Yes, I'm right. The dolls were made of fabric. Yes, I think so. The action figure was made of fabric. I don't think so. False. Marbles were made of glass. Yes, true. The spinning top was made of paper. No. And the spinning top was made of wood. Yes, this time it is true. The dolls were made of glass. False. Action figure was made of plastic. Yes, it is true. Marbles were made of leather. False. The guitar was made of plastic. True. The dolls were made of fabric. True. Oops. Why? Okay, so we scored 10. So everybody, if you have all of them right, if you get correct answers, that is really good, okay? Check it with your parents. Now, let's move on to our today's lesson. Today's lesson, we will be learning about changing the shape of materials. Changing the shape of materials. So, last time we learned about metal material, right? Metal. Can I change the shape of this material? This object? No, I can't really, right? So I can't, really? So let's check with another object. So it can be a little leather bag I have in my hand. So this is rectangle. Can I change the shape of the material? Yes, I can. The shape of the material is now different, right? So that means I can change some of the material's shape, but I can't change some of the material's shape. But this material can be changed with a really hot temperature. When you heat it in a really hot temperature, it will change. But this one, you can just change the shape by using your two hands, right, kids? So that means today we will be learning about how we can change the shape of different materials. Okay, let's start today's lesson. Okay, so there are these 4 ways we can change the material. First one, this is called squashing. You make something into smaller by squashing, like you squash it into small. Let's squash this bag into small. Yes, now the bag is small and it's just in my hand, right? So I can squash it. Squash, squash, squash. So that's the word for squashing, making things smaller by pressing it. Now the second one, this one is called twisting. Twisting, okay? So again with the same bag, can I twist it? Let's check. You twist something like this way. Now the bag is twisted, right everyone? So you can also change an object's shape by twisting it. First one, squash. Second one, twist, twist. Okay? And third one, bending or folding. Third one is bending or folding. So let me show you an example. I have a little paper clip in my hand. Do you know paper clip? You use this small paper clip to clip paper, okay? So the shape is this. Now I can bend it to make it into a different shape. I am bending it into a different shape, right? So this is bending. You can also use your force to bend something, bend something. I'll give you another example. I have a camera leg, okay? I can bend this leg. Okay, so the leg is bent or folded, right? Okay, next one, the last one, you can change material shape by stretching with your hands by pulling something. So for example, I have a balloon in my hand. Okay, a little balloon. You can stretch the balloon and this way. Okay, so this is called stretching. All right, so those are the 4 words that we are learning today. First one on the picture, this is a rubber or elastic band. So you stretch it, right? You stretch the elastic band. Second picture is a cotton thread. You can twist it to make this kind of colorful bands. Third one, balloon. Balloon, you can make it bigger. That means you can stretch it by blowing air into the balloon and make this one, right? And the fourth one is a rope. You can twist nylon fibers to make this kind of ropes. And this one is called tin foil. So you can squash it into a ball, right? So for example, I have a plastic bag here. How can I change the shape of this plastic bag? By squashing. Let's find out. Whoa. I can squash the bag and make a small ball to throw. Yes, goal. All right. And next and last one is a paper plane. It has been bent and folded to make a plane, right? So I have a paper in my hand. You can fold it to make a paper plane. Okay, everyone? So you can change the shapes of different materials by using your hands, but some hard materials you use heat. You use a high temperature to make it or make changes into the shapes. Okay, kids? So for homework, what are we gonna do? Let's find out. So we have materials and we have 4 different ways to change the materials. Let's look at first example, wooden pencil. I have a wooden pencil, pink pencil. Can I squash it into small No, it's hard. I can't squash it, right? So you write, cross this out. You can squash it. Can you bend it? You can break it, but you can't bend it like this one, right? You can't bend it like this one. So you can't cross this out. Can you twist the pencil? No change. So you can't. Can you stretch it? No, still the same shape. So you can't stretch it too. So that means cross it out. Okay, everyone? So you have string, metal spoon, modeling clay, rubber, and rubber ball to make changes into this materials. Can you squash, bend, twist, or stretch it? And go to your Firefly page to check your homework, okay? Last time, let's practice the 4 words. Squash. You squash something into smaller and you bend. Yes, you bend it and you twist it and you stretch it with your hands, okay? So good luck with your homework. See you next time. Bye, kids.